tell you guys about them, but I'm also gonna let you know my personal opinions and why I love them so much. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of the actual products, so I will be showing pictures of each item as I'm talking about them, just so that you guys can actually see what I'm talking about and know the products if you decide to go get them yourself, what you're looking for. So yeah, I guess we can get started. I am using my phone because I have everything like saved, so excuse me if I'm looking down or not looking directly at you guys as I'm reading. I'm gonna start with what I'm wearing now, which is actually my favorite at the moment. So believe it or not, I think the Double Wear has made it to my favorite foundation. It's definitely made its way on the list, but I'm gonna wear some more to see like if it's all-time favorite foundation. But it's the Estee Lauder Double Wear. It's priced at $42. It has a SPF of 10. It says it's a worry-free, long-wearing makeup. It provides 15 hours of staying power, stays fresh, and looks natural through heat, humidity, and non-stop activity. Flawless all day. It's not acne-genic. It's a liquid, full coverage, and it has a feature of oil-free. It's waterproof and non-comedogenic. Comedogenic? I always figure out how to pronounce that word, but that one. Comedogenic. Come on. I almost feel like I'm speaking Spanish. Yeah, whatever. I used to always swear off Double Wear because I just thought it was like a old foundation, like a foundation that old people wear. And I could never really find my color in it, but I've been wearing it for a little over a month now, and I can't say that I've been wearing it every day, but it's been the foundation that I've worn since I made the videos and told you guys about it. So I do like it, I do love it. It's been working for me. I do also have a concealer, and I will say that the concealer dries fast. So I was using Shape Tape before, and I do love Shape Tape still. I just needed a lighter color than what my Shape Tape concealer is. And with this one, I feel like I have to move a lot faster. Like it dries funny if I try to move it after it dries, which cool, but you know, if it's something that you aren't aware of before, you could probably not like it because of that. And moving along, next on my list I have MAC Studio Sculpt. Now MAC Studio Sculpt is probably like my holy grail. I know a lot of people know I talk about another foundation a lot that I really like, but before I got to that foundation, I always wore MAC Studio Sculpt. Like I wouldn't wear anything else. I also worked for MAC, so that was another thing. Like that was the only foundation that I would use. I've tried every foundation, but I use consistently a good couple of their foundations. Like for me, the Studio Sculpt was one of the only foundations that I was absolutely in love with from MAC. Studio Fix for me was too drying for my face. Like it broke me out really bad. And from there, like nothing else was just perfect. But the gel like from the Studio Sculpt is kind of like a mousse almost. I don't know, it just melted perfectly. But let me stop rambling, let me tell you guys about it. It's a creamy, luxurious gel-based foundation that provides medium buildable to high coverage with a natural satin finish. It's hydrating, instantly revitalizes the skin while keeping it looking smooth, soft, and plush. It's long-wearing, water-resistant. It's labeled as a cream. It's more for dry skin. It has a coverage of medium and an SPF of 15, and the feature is waterproof. So yeah, I really think it's like that gel based that is what I like. Like it's not matte, but it's not like super dewy. It's like the perfect, it's like that satin finish. Like it looks really smooth. I don't know how else to explain it, but it looks smooth. And that goes for $36. Next on my list, I have the Too Faced Born This Way. Dear old Too Faced. I was wearing Born This Way for like maybe a year, but my foundation color just, between the seasons changing and tans or not getting tans and just my skin tone in general, like not having as much of a golden undertone, but I'm also really not that cool. Some stuff can really turn orange on me. Too Faced would turn more orange. I would be looking like a pumpkin. But I love the finish of it. So maybe when I get my life together, my skin tone together, maybe we could try again, because I really do love the finish. Like, it was my, at one point I had like 3 different Too Faced foundations with like different colors, because I needed to mix or know which one was working that week, or was I darker, lighter. So I don't know, I really like the foundation and I love the way it covered. Like I said, it was super smooth. I felt like that foundation is a magic fucking eraser. Like, blur. Yeah, like, I love the foundation. I haven't used it in a while. I feel like the Estee Lauder one is taking its place, but I'm not sure. Let me go on and read you guys what it says. So it's a Too Faced Born This Way foundation. It retails at $39. This is the hyaluronic acid, helps you achieve a smoother, more youthful appearance. The foundation delivers coverage that is undetectable for skin that is naturally radiant. It is a full coverage foundation and it is oil free. Last but not least on my list is the NARS Natural Radiance Foundation. I love it. Like, it's the perfect lightweight foundation. Before I was using MAC Mineralized, but one thing about that foundation is it oxidizes like a lot. Like, I will always tell people who wanted to get matched for it, walk around the mall, give it a minute, go look at it in different lighting to see how it reacts to your skin and to the air. So I kind of stopped using it after a while, and then just not really needing a lightweight foundation. But with the Natural Radiance, I feel like you can definitely build it to a medium coverage, and it has a really nice finish. Like, I actually really like it. It's a 16-hour foundation that is lightweight, natural, and fade resistant, and is powered by the radiance to smooth the look of skin. It's untraceable, unstoppable, and unlike anything else. It's a non-drying foundation that's lightweight and radiant. Delivers high coverage that's super natural. It's transfer resistant, sweat resistant, breathable formula. It stays true to color all day and continues to look fresh and vibrant as if it was just applied. It's formulated with NARS Skin Optimizing Complex, which is infused with raspberry, apple, and watermelon extracts, which that I did not know, which helps to smooth the look of your skin instantly over time. It's paraben-free, fragrance-free, oil-free, dermatologist tested, and yeah. That one, I actually don't have its price tag or retail price up, but that's the good thing about phones these days. We can just pull it up and Google it. Let's see, Natural Radiance NARS. So that's what I thought. That one retails at about $49. So they're all pretty much at the $40 to $50. Yeah, $40 to $50. Well, no, let's take that back. About $35 to, the Natural Radiance been on the high end of $49. But yeah, these are my favorite foundations, the ones that I use more than anything and on a regular basis. If you guys have any other questions about anything else that I use or anything else that I like, please do not hesitate to comment or email or DM or ask me any questions about any products or anything that you guys have seen me talk about, or something that you would like to see me talk about. I'm definitely available, and I want to know what you guys want to see. It don't help me to just talk about everything. I want to know what you all want to hear. Yeah, so thank you guys for watching with me. Please do not forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the video. And until next time, be you, be real, and be glam.